In this video, I will show how to create progress bars in Excel. A very simple and easy way, guys. Firstly, you need some data. Now, select your column which has the percentage or numbers. Now, in this conditional formatting, click this drop down, data bars and more rows. Select this first one. Format all cells based on their values. The minimum select number and value 0, maximum number and value 1. You can customize bar appearance like color. Then click on OK. So this is the easy and simple way to create this progress bar in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.